A local law firm is fighting for justice against discrimination and unlawful practices in insurance companies.
Yes, and personal injury and bad faith insurance. Trial attorney Ryan Heidari joins us now to discuss. Sam, welcome in.
Thank you for having me, JJ.
Let's talk about what you do, because it's very specific. So you fight for justice for victims of discrimination. What does that look like?
Let me tell you, there are different forms of the practices that is deployed by the insurance companies that is discriminatory or unlawful, and the people, they don't get the benefit of the bargain that they did for. For example, they deny the coverage or the whatever that they were expecting to get paid, and they don't get paid for it. And because the insurance companies have the metadata that they are just putting the people in it, and they are just acting unfairly against the insured. So we are going after those kind of practices and trying to bring the justice to the local community in Las Vegas.
Amazing. Yeah. Now, can you kind of tell us a little bit as to the goals that you tackle with any case that you bring to your firm?
Each case, they are different, but we just pay attention to nuances of the cases, because these cases takes a long time to build, actually, because we have to get into the detail of the pattern of the behavior of the insurance companies as to what they did over the time, and then compare it to what they acted in the specific case. This is the kind of cases that you need a lawyer for it, and we are not a typical personal injury law firm. We just pay attention to those aspects of the claim as well when we are bringing a lawsuit or we sue the insurance companies to make sure that the justice is served.
And speaking of justice, with these discriminatory cases, you feel that there's certain cases that are important for you to take on, and they're really important, you feel, for the public.
Yeah, specifically in some cases that is based on the unlawful practices based on the race, and we already have some lawsuits in California and Nevada against some insurance companies that we feel that they have a very outrageous pattern of behavior against a specific ethnicity by profiling them, actually, that we are so actually aggressive, and also we are so into those kind of cases because we know what they are doing and how they are profiling the specific ethnicities.
Right. I mean, unfortunately, there are so many victims out there from these insurance scams and whatnot. How are you speaking to these people? And if somebody's watching right now, are you available to talk to them?
Yes, of course. They can contact our office and ask for the free consultation. We just don't charge any fees, actually, in this kind of cases. All of them, there are contingency fees agreement, that it means that we just investigate, we invest the resources, and then we get to the bottom of it, and we just recover the money as punitive damages or fair compensation for their what they bargained for, actually, with the insurance company, and what they expected from the insurance companies actually to pay them, and they never got paid for it.
So you can actually help people, you feel, seek justice where discrimination is concerned?
Yes, and the unlawful practices. It's not only based on the race, it's based on the unlawful practices and the profiling based on the social economy status of the people as well.
I'm curious if you have any tips. I feel like some people don't realize until it's too late when something like this has happened to them. Like, do you have any advice or early signs that people should look out for if they're in a situation like this?
Whenever that you claim an insurance company and they are asking too many questions, and they are adding the special investigation unit or some investigator to investigate into their behavior and when they bought the policy and how they bought it, those are the times that usually it means that they are investigating some malfeasance by the insured, or they are looking for something actually to just not to pay the benefits that they bargained for. So that's the best way, that before giving any statement to the insurance companies, make sure that you hire a lawyer, because you don't want to incriminate yourself if you say something, or just they use it against yourself actually later.
Sam, we know that you're located down on 4th Street here
Yes.
in the, there's a lot of, it's kind of the legal center of Las Vegas, isn't it? But
Yes.
tell us a little bit about your practice. When did you start it?
I started after graduation from Boyd in 2013, and I clerked for Judge Scan, actually Department 29, actually for 2 years. And after that, I opened up my own firm and I started doing the business litigation. And after that, I started doing the personal injury. We take the personal injury car accident cases, slip and fall, but also we focus on the aspects of the bad faith insurance, actually, of those cases as well. We litigate and try those kind of cases.
Interesting. Well, thank you so much for
Thank
joining
you.
us.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you
Yeah, it
very
was great
much.
to have you.